my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by for a day in the life vlog. I have a couple of things planned today. I'm just going to organize little Liam's closet a bit. I haven't shown you guys the full nursery tour. Just wanted to hang up a couple of things that I got from Target yesterday, and I am planning to film a full nursery tour and explaining where I got everything from, just budget-friendly ideas of how I decorated it. Also today, little Liam is officially 3 months old, you guys, and I actually was kind of emotional earlier looking back. I had a couple of videos that I had of him when he was just a little newborn baby. So I've definitely been in my feelings today. Let me see. Wow. Good job, guys. Aaron?
Mommy.
Good job. Let me see.
Welcome back my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do have twin, almost 4-year-old boys and a little 3-month-old baby boy. Wow. Did all those stickers, puppy?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, looks nice. Good job.
I do all it.
Alright guys, so I was doing this little activity with the boys just to keep them entertained while I cleaned up the kitchen a bit. So here's a little tip I have for you guys when you are trying to get your little ones to grab stickers. So this is an easy way to get your toddlers to grab the stickers, is take off this thing to make it easier for them. So you take this off and then it'll be so much easier for them to grab, and just put them on paper or whatever for little fingers. Hey, Papa. Now we're gonna put our name behind our paper. Hey, what else?
I do it.
Good job, puppy. Good job remembering how to spell your name. Okay, yeah. Noah. Muy bien, papi. Good job. Alright. I barely started to teach them how to spell out their name, and they have been doing so well. They still haven't gotten the hang of how to properly hold a pen or marker, but we'll get there. They're only 3 years old right now, so plenty of time. And here is little Liam over here. Liam! I think he's getting hungry. Liam. This little guy is 3 months old today. Papi! Ahora tienes 3 mesitos. Sí.
A big
Yeah, I think this little guy's tiny.
Mommy,
Alright guys, so these are 2 of the little items I got from Target. The dollar spot at Target for Liam's little area and his wall that I needed to fill up. I thought this was so cute. It says Explore, and I love that it has blue. And this was only $3, you guys. And then I got this little mirror. I thought this was adorable, and I just needed I wanted to have a little mirror and have kind of like a little gallery wall above his dressing table. So I'm just gonna set it up right now and show you guys how I do that. I'm not giving you guys a full nursery tour right now, just a little sneak peek. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm going to work on Liam's closet. So I want to organize it up here. We bought some organizing bins from Target yesterday, and then he has a ton of clothes passed down from his brothers. So I just want to organize everything and just set it up by each bin will have certain sizes. So I just gotta go through all of this and then organize his little drawers as well. I'll see what I can do today. I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish. Alright, so let's get started.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me.
I'm standing outside my window. 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 I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting. I'm on fire.
Alright guys, so I am stopping I think for today now. It's gotten a little late and this little guy is getting grumpy and hungry, and also I have to make dinner. So I'll just show you guys what I did so far. And little Liam is gonna have a ton of clothes, you guys. I didn't even go through everything. Earlier I did go outside with the boys and played with them, and we visited our neighbors. So yeah, I wasn't able to get everything done, but I'll pick back up tomorrow. Sorry about the noise. My husband's playing with the boys now that he's off of work. And I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. And I hope you kind of liked the vlog style of, you know, organizing and getting things done. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of vlog and video. It just lets me know that you guys enjoy what I put out. guys, so this is a couple of days later and I finally finished decluttering and organizing Liam's closet. So I did rearrange the top a bit. I do have a lot of his 2T clothes over here, 3T, and jackets and just seasonal clothes in both of these bins because I didn't want to mix it up with these two, since I just wanted regular clothes like shirts, shorts, pants, and just all of that in these bins. And I do want to get labels for these just so I know exactly where everything is. Let me know down below. Give me you guys' opinions. What should I put over here? I feel like there's a lot of lost space over here. Just decided to put this Liam was gifted for Christmas in here. And I do take it out sometimes. The boys do like to play with it every now and then, but Liam's a little too small for that, so I didn't want to take up space from his room. Then I did organize his little drawers a bit with his clothes. Alright, you guys, so I wanted to quickly hop on here and close the vlog, or this video. This ended up turning into an organizing video, and it didn't really end up vlogging too much, just a couple clips here and there. And if you made it this far, thank you guys so much. I hope this inspired you to get some decluttering and organizing done. I was able to organize all of Liam's clothes and the boys' clothes because they have grown out of so much of their clothes. And if you have been here for a while, I actually did organize this a while back when I was pregnant, but obviously the boys have grown so much since then, so it needed to be done all over again. Alright guys, so make sure you are subscribed and your bell notification is turned on. If you enjoy motherhood videos, lifestyle, and baby updates, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far, and if you enjoyed. Also stay tuned for a nursery tour coming up very soon with budget-friendly ideas and a lot of good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.